Hola, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about Profibus PA or Process Automation is a subset of the Profibus Fieldbus communication standard, and it can replace the standard 4 to 20 mA, and it has a response time of less than 60 milliseconds. Profibus PA is connected via a coupler to Profibus DP. The coupler translates the DP telegrams coming from the master into PA telegrams, which are data and power on the same two wires. The responses from the public address instruments are translated back to Profibus DP. The translations are electric, because the protocol remains intact. Due to the low transmission rates of 31.25 kilobits per second, it is possible to create a flexible infrastructure. The branches can be very long compared to the Profibus DP, where the wiring rules are very strictly defined. That's the benefit compared to the conventional 4 to 20 mA, where the cable from an instrument to the control system is configured as a completely non-shareable item. With Profibus PA, only one shared cable comes out of the coupler that can be connected to a star network. If explosion protection is required, there is a wide range of coupling instruments and tools at your disposal to accomplish your application. The low current draw of the instrumentation makes implementation relatively simple for this crucial environment. Profibus PA instruments must meet a data profile for a specific instrument class. This offers a great advantage in terms of interchangeability. This means that the user is free to exchange instruments without making any software adjustments, and later I will explain how they do it. Profibus works on the following two physical media that support power and data transmission through the same pair of wires, and they are the twisted pair RS485 and the MBP. Profibus PA can use the MBP IS and RS485 IS, which are intrinsically safe or explosion-proof versions, if required. The RS485 twisted pair cable has an asynchronous NRC transmission, baud rates of 9.6 kilobits per second to 12 megabits per second. Shielded twisted pair can have from 32 to 127 stations per second. Distance extendable up to 10 kilometers with the use of repeaters and a 9-pin D-sub connector. In case of having more than 32 stations per section, repeaters must be used. The maximum length of the wiring and the speed of the transmission must be according to this table. The MBP or Manchester bus power allows the bus to reach 1,900 meters in length. The intrinsically safe version is defined by the IEC 611-58-2 standard. The transmitted signal is sent with a current of plus 10 milliamperes at a rate of 31.25 kilobits per second, where 1 bit is equal to 32 microseconds. This current is delivered at 50 ohm impedance, creating a transmission voltage of 0.75 to 100 peak-to-peak. The MBP, like RS485, uses twisted pair cables. Profibus PA uses a bus topology, a wide range of free choice. Thus, inline, star, tree, or even mixed shapes can be established. Generally, in an automation system, several Profibus PA branches are connected via coupling units to Profibus DP, which has a higher speed than the PA. The process control system is also connected to it. Both bus systems use the unified protocol level. Thus, Profibus PA is a compatible extension of Profibus DP in the field. The elements of a Profibus network can have Class 1 and Class 2 masters and slaves, which I described in my Profibus DP video. Profibus networks can also have the following elements. Couplers. They are devices used to translate the physical characteristics of Profibus DP and Profibus PA, and are transparent for the masters. They are applied in safety functions, defining and limiting the maximum number of equipment in each segment, which depends, among other factors, to the sum of quiescent currents, equipment failures, and distances covered by the cabling. Up to 24 can be energized according to the manufacturer and classification area. Link devices. They are used as masters and allow up to 5 couplers. Terminator. It consists of a 1 microfarad capacitor and a 1 kilo ohm resistor connected in series between them and parallel to the bus. To integrate a device into a Profibus system, just use the device's GSD file. The GSD file is a text file with hardware and software revision details, device time log, and cyclical data exchange information. In addition to the GSD file, the device description files, DDs, are also supplied, where the parameters, menus, and methods for the cyclical configuration of the field equipment are detailed. Those files follow the DDL standard defined by Profibus International. The FDT and DTM standards are also configuration, monitoring, and calibration. And well, this will be all for today's video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share. I upload videos every Wednesday in Spanish and every Friday in English. Adios! Of less than 60 milliseconds. Ya aprenda y le ahí el café, Alex, porfis. For the cyclical coming